So now to understand what is a standard deviation, so we should be first knowing the thing very clearly that standard deviation is for the data types that are related to integers or continuous variables. In that case, you can find the standard deviation of a feature value or of a column in a data set, or in that case, so standard deviation tells like how much your data is actually spread in a range. So if you are having a particular column of data and it has a high standard deviation, this means that the data set or the data points that you are having are very much spread. They are not concentrated around the median of that data column. So this is very straightforward what is known as a standard deviation. In that case, you can also in some cases you can use some scipy library for those things, and panda also gives some of the utilities that you can use to find the standard deviation of a particular column. So in this way you can understand that is a high standard deviation means the data is very much spread and it is not concentrated around the mean, and very narrow or very less standard deviation means the data set is actually very close or just around the mean values only, or it is concentrated around that. So this is how I understand the standard deviation.